Have you ever noticed how cysts seem to have a favorite hangout spot right on your neck or face? It's almost like they know exactly where to show up to make you the most self-conscious. But why is it that these annoying little bumps love these areas so much? Let's dive into the fascinating reasons behind this, and trust me, by the end of this video, you look at your skin in a whole new way. First, let's talk about what a cyst actually is. Imagine a tiny balloon filled with fluid, pus, or other material sitting just under your skin. That's basically what a cyst is. They can pop up anywhere on your body, but the neck and face are like prime real estate for them. And no, it's not just bad luck or karma for skipping your skincare routine last week. One of the biggest reasons cysts love the neck and face is because these areas are packed with oil glands, also known as sebaceous glands. These glands are like little factories, constantly producing oil to keep your skin soft and protected. But sometimes these factories go into overdrive or get blocked. When that happens, the oil has nowhere to go, so it gets trapped under the skin, forming a cyst. It's like a traffic jam, but instead of cause, it's oil and dead skin cells causing the backup. Now, let's add another layer to this story: hormones. Yep, those same hormones that gave you a hard time during puberty are still at it. Hormonal changes can make your oil glands even more active, especially during your teenage years, pregnancy, or even stressful times. That's why you might notice more cysts popping up when you are stressed out or going through hormonal changes. It's your body's way of saying, hey, something's up. But wait, there's more. The skin on your face and neck is thinner and more delicate compared to other parts of your body. This makes it easier for cysts to form and become noticeable. Plus, these areas are more exposed to the environment than pollution, sweat, makeup, and even the constant touching of your face. All these factors can clog your pores and create the perfect storm for cysts to develop. And let's not forget about genetics. If your parents or siblings have a history of cysts, chances are you might be more prone to them too. It's like inheriting your mom's eyes or your dad's sense of humor, except in this case, it's a tendency for cysts. Thanks, family. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, so my face and neck are basically cyst magnets. Is there anything I can do about it? Don't worry, we'll get to that. But first, let's talk about some of the different types of cysts you might encounter. There are epidermoid cysts, which are the most common and usually filled with keratin, a protein found in your skin. Then there are sebaceous cysts, which are filled with oil. Both types love to show up on your face and neck, making them the usual suspects when you spot a new bump. But here's the thing: most cysts are harmless. They might look scary or feel uncomfortable, but they're usually not a sign of anything serious. However, if a cyst becomes painful, red, or starts to grow rapidly, it's always a good idea to get it checked out by a doctor. Sometimes what looks like a simple cyst could be something else, and it's better to be safe than sorry. So, now that we know why cysts love the neck and face, let's talk about what you can do to keep them at bay and what you definitely shouldn't do if you spot one. First things first, resist the urge to pop or squeeze a cyst. I know, it's tempting. There's something oddly satisfying about the idea of getting rid of that bump yourself. But trust me, popping a cyst can make things a whole lot worse. You could push the contents deeper into your skin, cause an infection, or even end up with a scar that lasts way longer than the cyst ever would have. If you really want it gone, it's best to see a dermatologist who can remove it safely. Now, let's talk prevention. Keeping your skin clean is key, but don't go overboard with harsh scrubs or cleansers. Gentle is the name of the game. Use a mild cleanser to wash your face and neck twice a day, and make sure to remove all your makeup before bed. This helps keep your pores clear and reduces the chances of cysts forming. If you have oily skin, look for products labeled non-comedogenic. That's just a fancy way of saying they won't clog your pores. And if you're prone to cysts, consider using products with ingredients like salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. These can help keep your pores clear and reduce inflammation. But skincare isn't the only factor. Your lifestyle plays a big role too. Try to manage your stress levels, get enough sleep, and eat a balanced diet. Believe it or not, what you eat can affect your skin. Foods high in sugar and dairy have been linked to more breakouts and cysts in some people. So, paying attention to your diet might help keep your skin clearer. And here's a tip you might not have heard before. Be mindful of what touches your face and neck. Your phone, pillowcases, and even your hands can transfer bacteria and oil to your skin. Clean your phone regularly. Change your pillowcases often. And try to avoid touching your face throughout the day. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, cysts still show up. And that's okay. Remember, you're not alone. Millions of people deal with cysts every year. The most important thing is not to panic or feel embarrassed. Skin issues are completely normal, and there's no shame in seeking help if you need it. If you notice a cyst that keeps coming back in the same spot, or if you have multiple cysts, it might be worth talking to a dermatologist. They can check for underlying conditions, like acne, or even genetic syndromes that make you more prone to cysts. In some cases, they might recommend treatments like corticosteroid injections, minor surgery, or prescription medications to keep cysts under control. So, the next time you spot a cyst on your neck or face, remember, it's not your fault. And it's definitely not the end of the world. With a little care and the right knowledge, you can manage them and keep your skin looking its best. And who knows? Maybe you'll even become the go-to skin expert in your friend group. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your skin healthy and glowing. And if you have any questions or want to share your own cyst stories, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and remember, your skin is amazing, cysts and all.